from R.D. Sharma, Class 6 Mathematics, Chapter number 6, that is fraction. In that topic is fraction in lowest term. Okay, how the fraction in lowest term? Definition of fraction is: a fraction is in its lowest term if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. If they have no other factor common than 1, then they are called in lowest term or in simplest form. For example, if we'll take 4 upon 6. Now we can cancel this by 4 2 2s and 2 3s. So answer is 2 by 3. So here in lowest term is 1 only, 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So this is called the lowest term or the simplest form. Let us do the exercise 6.5. Question number 1. Reduce each of the following fraction to its lowest term or in simplest form. Okay, now first one is that 40 upon 75. Now this we can cancel with 5. So 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 2 remain 15. So answer is 8 upon 50. We can't cancel more than this, so answer is this one. Here second one, 42 upon 28. So 42, 7 6 are 42 and 7 4s are 28. Again we can cancel with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So answer is 3 upon 2. Here we can cancel with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 26 are. Again we can cancel with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3 upon 30. Fourth one, 40 upon 72. 40 we can cancel with 2, 2 2s are 20s are 40. 2 3s are 6, 1 remain 6 are 36. Okay, another one what we can do, 2 again with 2, 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 1 remain 8s are 16. Again 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. Okay, so another one we can cancel this? No. So answer is 5 by 9. Now fifth one, 80 upon 24. So 8 10s are 80 and 8 3s are 24. So answer here is 10 upon 3. We can cancel more than this. So this is the lowest term. Now sixth one, 84 and 56. Now we can 2 can cancel. So 2 4s are 8 and 42s are. Here 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 8s are. Now 42 and 28 is there. So we can cancel with 7. 7 6 are and 7 4s are. Again we can cancel 2 3s are and 2 2s are. So answer is 3 upon 2. Right? Same way, simplify each of the following into lowest term. This is also the same. Now this we can cancel with 5. 5 1s are 5, 25 15s are 80, 5 1s are 5. Okay, 3 remain 30, 6 are 30. So answer is 15 upon 16. Second one, 52 upon 76. So 52 we can do with the 3. Okay, 3. Let us start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 12, 6 are. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 remain 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 9s are. So answer is 13 upon 19. Here we can cancel with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 9s are. We can cancel with 7. 7 6s are and 7 7s are. So answer is 6 upon 7. 63 upon 17. So 17 1s are and 17 4s are is 68. This is 68. So 17 1s are and 17 4s are. So 4 upon 1, which is equal to 4. Answer. Now 150 upon 50. So 50 1s are and 50 3s are. So 3 upon 1, which is answer is 3. Now 162 upon 108. First of all, we'll cancel with 2. 2 8s are 16. 1s are 2. 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. And 2 4s are 8. Another thing, we can cancel with 9. 9s are 81 and 9 6s are 54. Again with 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So answer is 3/2. Thank you for watching this video.